I Will Go is the Seventh-day Adventist Church strategic focus for 2020 to 2025 quinquennium. This experience is meant to involve all church members around the world in reaching the world. The initiative is also designed to inspire and equip church members to use their God-given spiritual gifts to witness and serve Christ. The Fiji Mission in 2024, together with member missions of the Trans-Pacific Union, has coined the theme, I Will Go to My Workplace. The 10,000 Toes campaign led the outreach into the workplaces this year. In the past 5 years, they have reached 65,700 individuals in providing free health screenings. Remarkably, 65% were identified as high-risk cases, engaging diverse groups such as the military, police, civil servants, and banking staff.
The Fiji 10,000 Toes campaign this year has intensified its process by carrying out health screening all over Fiji. First of all, it has gone into various government ministries, namely the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Commander RFMF Strategic Headquarters at Beckley Crescent, the Naval Base HQ at Wallu Bay, Suva. Also moved into the Ministry of Public Utilities, also to the Ministry of Youth and Sports, and other corporate organizations within the government, even other churches, namely the Methodist Church, Assemblies of God, and the New Methodist Church. We are also having plans in next year, when the school starts again next year, to do a second round of screening in the various high schools in Suva, Fiji. We've already carried out the first screening test at Maris Brothers High School, Rishikul High School, and also St. Joseph, Suva Grammar. And these are reputable schools in Suva, Fiji, that have requested, that have demanded our presence to help our students, especially 18 years and above, to go through this health screening.
Fiji's campaign is boosted by the engagement of 4,375 ambassadors, including 25 from Rotuma. Ambassadors played a pivotal role during evangelism, conducting screenings and health awareness. Such outreach initiatives have led to spiritual growth, contributing to the baptism of 35 souls in Nandi. Our Wellness Hub initiatives has equipped 310 churches and distributed 430 wellness kits to pastors, communities, enabling impactful health work. 140 churches in addition have actively participated in outreach. The partnership between 10,000 Toes with NGOs, including WHO, Pacific Community Diabetes Fiji, and MOH Fiji, have amplified their efforts, ensuring sustainable impact. The campaign is building healthier communities and creating lasting change in Fiji. The Fiji Mission is committed to improving the health of all Fijians. The youths and women ministries are always frontrunners in exposing and highlighting Adventism in our communities. In March, during the Global Youth Day, youths around Fiji impacted workplaces in urban, peri-urban, and even rural-based government stations in a big way. Visitations of workplaces, hospitals, and affected families were the order of the day. Youths distributed food packs, food rations, gospel leaflets, clothes, and many goodies that inspired them to distribute, with the inclusion of adventurers, pathfinders, ambassadors, and youths as they join their efforts in doing good unto others. In the month of May, during the World Church President's visit to Fiji, women and youths again joined their efforts in a march along the streets of the Sugar City in Lautoka to showcase Adventism and what it stood for. Later in the year, women of the Western Division again converged at Lautoka's Shirley Park for an handicraft show. This was to impact the city and non-Adventists alike, showcasing women of the faith, God-given talents and skills. The same was also held at the Suva Civic Center for women in the Central Division. An End It Now march was also held in Suva and Lautoka in August, emphasizing the church's stance in denouncing abuse and violence against women. The impact of a small group ministry in Peria Adventist Church in Suva could be the highlight of the year. To date, a total of 17 souls have been baptized through their prayers, fellowship, and study of the Word. The Chief Executive Officer of Fiji's National Provident Fund and his spouse, two managers of the same organization, a senior government economist, a doctor, and her husband were baptized in Peria through the small group ministry. These professionals then brought their loved ones into the church. Some have been baptized, while some are still in their journey of discovery. The Fiji Mission ran 2 live-streamed evangelisms, resulting in the baptism of more than 60 souls, while some are still being followed up through Hope Bible School. These events have contributed to the 3,000 plus souls baptized around Fiji. While the baptism of these 2 events was held at the Newtown Church and Suvo respectively, souls were also baptized in Navosa, Nandaribatu, and Lambasa, excluding other sites because of this evangelism. The media ministry in Fiji is impacting the country in a mighty way, reaching hundreds of homes, villages, and unreached places. The Fiji Mission is looking forward to 2025 with the theme, I will go to the ends of the world.